Hey everyone, today is July the 22nd, 2022. Today's video, I'm going to show you, well, now that you know the new MKSD Ultra can SIM unlock, especially a Spectrum, Xfinity iPhones. Seems that more people are, bringing me a Spectrum. Well, here in San Antonio, a Spectrum is Verizon network, and I'm assuming on the East Coast it will be Xfinity. People are now discovering the Ultra can do or can be used for or to be with other carriers other than a Spectrum. Here in San Antonio, especially here in San Antonio, the network there is more coverage, cheaper. It is T-Mobile, and then AT&T, and then Verizon, unfortunately. But T-Mobile is the one, if you want to be 100% cover or cheaper, and whatever the case will be for us here. Metro by T-Mobile or T-Mobile is the one to go with. And today I have a customer. It has an iPhone 13, regular 13, that he wants to do or change from Spectrum to T-Mobile. iPhone 13, iOS 15.6, and this iPhone is on a Spectrum network. It is SIM locked. Okay, if you have this problem, so I'm going to show you really quick how to change that, and you'll be able to use your T-Mobile or your Metro. I have a Metro, and the customer already called and changed the IMEI number with Metro. With Metro, you need to call customer service and add the IMEI number on their network in order for them to get service. If you don't call or if you don't add the IMEI number with them, unfortunately, you will get no service. So the phone will be displaying no service. In this case, as you can see, it's picking up the signal already, but it says SIM not supported because it is SIM locked to a Spectrum. And then there is a way, there are some people, so same way, like I always tell you, one side is the longest, one side is the shortest, and then you can see one side, it says MKSD. That's the one, if your iPhone has a SIM card that face up like that, if your SIM card face like this, facing up, you need the one piece. And the easiest way is your SIM or the MKSD. You can see the MKSD letters goes on top of your SIM tray, and then we're going to put our Metro SIM card on top of it, and then we're going to slide or flip over the other side, and then because our iPhone, it's an iPhone 13, we're going to flip it over, put our SIM tray, and then we just put it in, and we're going to wait for the menu. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. Okay, then from the menu, we're going to select 5G mode auto. Then from this menu, as you can see, it has Sprint, T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, Straight Talk, I mean, you name it. In this case, my iPhone is from a Spectrum. This will apply for Verizon, Xfinity, Spectrum. We're going to select Verizon, Xfinity. Then we're going to select accept. And then I'm just going to wait for the iPhone to do, and the iPhone and the signal to do everything by themselves. I don't do anything else. I'm just going to hit dismiss. I'm just going to wait for the signal to go, there we go. The signal must go up and down. Just gonna wait for the signal to be steady. Continue. There you go, people. I don't need the Wi-Fi anymore. So at this point, the only thing I need to do basically it is go to settings, about. It will say iPhone 13, iOS 15.6. It will say it will state, let me see if it will still say SIM locked Spectrum, but the carrier changed to Verizon or Spectrum in this case. It always will display Verizon. I don't know why, but anyway. So at this point, so let me close everything, go back to settings. And settings, we need to go to cellular. On cellular, we need to go to our roaming, make sure it's on. So you'll be able to see your Wi-Fi. I don't know, let me see my camera to be able to see it. So from my roaming, I need to be on. So to be able to pick up the data, so I'm gonna 5G on. My VoLTE, it's automatically on. Sorry guys, the lighting, it's the light here in my office. Give me 1 second. See if I can fix that real quick. Close those blinds. There you go. Now let me turn this light on. So hopefully that helps. Okay, so I need to have my VoLTE. It needs to be you can have it on. Then 5G on, data mode. You can have it data mode, allow more 5G. And then that's about it. Let's make a test call. Let's call customer service.
Hi there, it's Metro by T-Mobile. As part of this call and subsequent interactions from this call, we may collect information about you to improve service. To learn more, go to Metro.
Okay, so Metro by T-Mobile. So now let's do a test call, speed test real quick. Not too bad. So there is some text messages. Let's see. Let's do a text message to an Android people. And we need to be on green. So of course it says then occurrence, blah, 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 blah. We need to go to settings. So it's not picking up my iMessage. It doesn't show my message, but it went through. So just gonna ignore it. And hopefully the other person will text us back. Just waiting. Hopefully. Got it. test. To prevent fraud, Let's see if we can send something like, I don't know, some media. Cannot send media. Okay, so this is where we're gonna fix our messages, cellular, and then cellular network. And then we need to change this automatically. I don't know why it shows this, but you need to go to the internet, and we're going to go to Google, and I believe it is Apn.global. And then we need to select India, United States, Apn settings, and of course it has ads. And then we need to go to T-Mobile or Metro. Total, you just need to go to the list, and then you need to select whatever carrier are you using. In this case, I'm using Metro. Hopefully, there you go, Metro APN settings. And I don't know, for some reason, some iPhones, are you able to add them, the APNs, and some iPhones you don't. So I don't know. And to be honest with you, I have no explanation why some iPhones do it and some iPhones don't. I just don't. So you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna look for your iOS. It says for Windows. You scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. APNs for Androids and BlackBerry. And we're looking for iPhone. There you go. Metro PCS APN settings for iPhone. And there you go. This is what we need. Fast. Let me see if something else. Metro Windows. No, this is the one. You're just gonna copy as it is. Copy. Go back to the APN. Because you just need the name of the APN and nothing else. And then you go back to MMSSC. And you're gonna copy as it is, MMSSC. You go back, MMSSC. You copy and paste on the same field, and then MMS proxy. Copy. And then text messages 104.85.76. 104.85.76. This is for the MMS UA proof URL. Copy. That's for your personal hotspot. The proxy, let me see if I don't think I copied correctly. I don't think it's good. It should be a space in there. Let me just put a space back. And at this point, before I go out, let me show you here. Let me delete this. And as of right now, it doesn't give me the option to take a picture. It is grayed out, right? So let me close everything here. And then at this point, I already have my APN, so I'm just gonna shut it down, turn it off. And it takes a while. It takes at least, I don't know, 5 minutes for the configuration to take for the system to start taking text messages and everything. So it takes a while. So but it says to turn it off. So I just turn it off. Turn it back on. And as you can see, you can turn it on, turn it back on, and the worst thing can happen is this. I don't need to use anything like this. I don't use this. So I'm gonna turn the Wi-Fi, and as you can see, the configuration remains the same. I don't lose the configuration like before with other like the other RSIMs. With MKSD in general, MKSD 4, MKSD Ultra, or even the Gaby Pro, the configuration remains the same. You can update to the latest iOS with the RSIM N without any problems. Let's go back to the text. And now, as you can see, I'm able to take pictures. See, I want to take a picture, and I'm gonna send it. There you go. So it's sending right now, and I'll let you know if it's going to be, see? So right now it's on a green, the little green is going through the little line. So that means the text message is sending, but it doesn't mean anything. So we need to go back to settings. So hopefully, iMessage. We just need to make sure iMessage is on. Okay. And then MMS is on. Where's my MMS option? So now it's reading the iMessage. Before it wasn't giving me, oh, there you go. It wasn't reading me that, so that's good. Send us an MMS. So all my MMS came back. Okay. So at this point, I'm just waiting for the message to go out. Let me see if I can send just if I can send anything like a, you know, like with media. Before it sent me the little warning sign. At this point, nothing yet. The little green line that is sending. Let me see. But yeah, that's how I set up the MMS. And if your iPhone allows us to do it, that's how you do it. It's still not going through. Like I said, it takes a little while, but at least I'm able to take a picture. Before, it was a grayed out. Okay, but like I said, it takes a little while for everything to be configured by itself, but at least I'm able to configure everything. Let me go back to settings. It's reading the number, send us a MMS, and so we just wait. Okay, as much as I want to do a short video, guys, I just, for some reason, you know me, I need to show you everything how I do it. I'm not the kind of person that do a quick video, do a quick sell, and move on. If you like those kind of videos, sorry guys, that's not me. But if you love those videos, a quick video, a quick sale, buy cheap, go for it. But please don't reach out to me when you buy cheap and you want premium customer service. If you need support, if you need to keep up with new updates and things like that, go to our Facebook page. I put everything, whatever's new, what's working, what's not, everything is there. Same thing on my Facebook page, on a Twitter account. Everything is gonna be there, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.